Good morning, I'm Adam Gittins with HTS Ag. Here with me today at the Iowa Power Farming Show is Joe Irwin. He's the General Manager for SoilMax. Joe, tell us a little bit about your products and what they do.
Sure. What we manufacture is a plow that goes in the ground to install drainage tile in farm fields that you can actually attach to a tractor that a size that most farmers have on their farm already. So it allows the farmer to put the tile in on his time schedule, where he wants, to get things done in a timely fashion.
Well, that's great. Can you tell us a little bit about how technology would integrate with that tile plow?
Sure. When we brought the tile plow out in '97, we control our depth by the pitch of the plow. So for years they used lasers. In 2008, we developed a system where we could actually use GPS, which is the satellites in the sky, corrected with RTK, to actually control the depth and the pitch of the plow at the same time. When we did that, we really made it a lot easier for the farmer to put the tile in, because now basically he can drive the tractor across the field, push a button at the beginning, a button at the end. The computer inside the cab, the ag leader display, figures everything out for him. He drops the plow on the ground, pushes start. As he drives away, the plow is at the correct depth after we've already done the survey with all the ag leader technology.
Tell us some benefits to adding tile for a farmer. What potential benefits would he see by putting tile in on his fields?
It all comes down to return on investment. This is the one item a guy can do that pays off, depending on crop prices, things like that. 125 acres, the whole system's paid off. There's nothing a farmer can buy that can pay off that quick. And what we do is, when the tile goes in the ground, it's making that soil healthier, so that the root is healthier for the plant. The farmer basically doesn't do anything different on his inputs. There may be a couple of tweaks here and there he changes on his inputs, but he'll realize 10-15% increase in crop yields with no more input cost.
That's fantastic. Can you tell us a little of the benefits of your tile plow versus some of the competitors?
Sure. One thing we've done for years is we use a different grade of steel in the points of the plow that are touching the ground or working in the ground. It's called a T1. It has about 102,000 psi yield strength to it, compared to most other manufacturers using a 50,000. So in layman's terms, we can be half as thick as somebody else and be just as strong. The steel's not any cheaper. Obviously it costs a little bit more, but we're thinner going through the ground for the same strength. And what that translates into is less weight the tractor has to have to hold traction, less fuel, less power. A guy can get more tile on the ground with a thinner, stronger plow than the competition. It's made a big difference.
Well, that's fantastic. Anything else you'd like to add today?
No, we're just, last year the company was sold to Ag Leader Technology. We're thrilled with what's happened since then. Ag Leader took over the IntelliSlope portion of our plow, which is what controls it, which is what uses the satellites. We've got a wonderful display now that's touchscreen in the cab, very user-friendly. It's just been an awesome experience as we transitioned into an Ag Leader type company.
Where can we find out more information about your products?
SoilMax.com and agleader.com as well.
All right, well, thanks a lot. Again, we've got Joe Irwin, the General Manager with SoilMax, with me here today. I'm Adam Gittins with HTS Ag. We're here at the Iowa Power Farming Show, and you're watching this on agvid.tv.